Do you need something to dust your keyboard? This super power turbo fan. I've had one of these for years, but it didn't work very good. And Amanda went to go get it the other day.
And charged it, and it would not work.
It would not work. So I've upgraded. Look at this puppy here. I don't know what their wind claim is, but it's pretty insane.
It is.
So it's actually got different heads on it. This one here is probably the one you want to keep on there. It's got a bunch of attachments, got a little storage case, dusters and such. So this would be good for your car. What we like to use it on is our computers and keyboards and stuff like that. But let's turn this baby on. So just press the button for about 2 seconds, I think. There it is.
Waiting
it's
for
on.
her to run away.
Oh, she's going to run away.
She's going to freak out. She's looking at him like, oh boy, here we go.
It's got 3 levels. There's
There she
1,
goes.
2, 3. Oh, look, it's a box. Yeah, look at that. Oh, you don't have your hair down.
Here.
Look at how much wind this thing is putting out.
Okay.
This is battery powered. Oh yeah, that feels good.
That's another thing. I hope they can hear us. You're doing that right into your microphone.
Oh, push
Um,
power for 2 seconds.
if your kids are in sports in the summer, you're going to an amusement park, you could take that and use it as a fan, right?
I want to say this. This thing is loud.
Yeah.
Sashi does not like it.
So maybe you don't want to take it out.
I would not take this to do that with. I actually have purchased one. You remember where that thing's at? The one I put on my belt?
No, but I have the one that goes around my neck.
So I have one that you can put on your belt loop. I'll try to show a link of it. If you want something for the summer, that thing was amazing. Well, you know where it's at? Oh, she's got hers out. She's got one of the neck ones.
Yeah.
That's good. And we use, when we go to events or stuff a lot, we'll use the towels that you soak in water.
Yeah, the cooling towels.
Oh my, that helps out so much. I mean, we're just getting to be old people and we just...
we need to be comfortable.
We got all these accessories when we go places.
We need a diaper bag.
An old person bag, what do you call that? But if you need something to dust your stuff off with.
Car detailing.
Yes.
Like.
Absolutely. This is awesome.
And it's tiny. It's not going to take up a lot of room.
You need to get you one of these. And I don't know if you can, it's got a USB-C on it. I don't know if you could use this as a battery bank either. And I don't know. I don't think so. I can just use the power out of it. But it's pretty heavy duty. It's got a little motor in it. It's loud. Very loud. But it works good. I mean, seeing how it pushed that box off there, something that you should have. So, yeah. Would probably be a good gift for somebody.
Yeah. Would. Too bad Father's Day's over with.
Well, I buy everything I want anyway.
It's true.
Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Looky there. Poor little Sashi. This thing is so loud.
Yeah,
though.
she doesn't like it. Just even on the low setting, that's loud.
Yeah, look how much it does on the low setting. Like that's 2. Look at this.
Metal. Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome.
Did you think of something else?
Well, I'm gonna look and see on my list.
Well, you stopped the video.